President kan NEHU Teachers Association Professor Lakhan Kumar Ulaong bagi Samla puli ka North Eastern Hill University NEHU ki bayaki da ka basya Thngan haplau ka building ka badon ka office trikam o Vice Chancellor o Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla mentala nyopu arkanta ki don kam ka jing ai mansiem bat ka jing kersan bandon ki batuklar ban Leit Ïakren Pynbeit baru Vice Chancellor ka University. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor din bagi Nohi Kaiga University bakantop na ka North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association bat ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association meta haka step jong ka pratarik unai wing arhaja arpusau kilawan ban patuklar haulat ka jala UCH Vijaya Shankar halor ka jaya ki sha Thngan wa Khlem bo por ki Samla puli NEHU Professor Lakhan Kumar Ulaong bagi Noy lam sengsan hima ni mano ki dei ban Burom ya ka jingdawa ki Samla puli. Kani ka jingya ki sha Thngan ki Samla puli ki bahab haka NEHU Students Union but KSU NEHU unit naduk ka santarik unai wing araja arpsa haka balaingot ki Samla puli kila poi syara sya ki jaka sumar na ka jingkem tulat ka dei na ka daw ba Vice Chancellor o Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla sngap ika jingdawa haki kindiat singi baladam ban weng kam yaw registrar u deputy registrar but ki wei ki officer ko university ki ba kan not thung kam bi an da u Vice Chancellor o Professor Lakhan Kumar Ulaong ba ki wei ki jingdawa ki Samla Kim dondor su menta bat kabaki kwa ka longbet ban weng yo Vice Chancellor lani baudei ban hiar suki hi dalade khnang ba anla ban Ïakren Pynbeit yaki jing baro bat bakim kwa ban don balik Ïakren Pynbeit bat Vice Chancellor na ka banta jongki kataru Khlem da Burom yaki jing yaki sha Thngan jongki Shu Professor Ulaong ba Vice Chancellor hi dem marwei ka daw baro bat lada hiar suki ka jing yaki kan nang pur bat he but don bok ba udon ha ka jilla ka ba shong sok shong sngan kum ha ki wei pan.
Frankly speaking, that was really unnecessary. I think, when you come to, when you are agitating, even if they have an issue, which they started much before agitation started, I think the timing was wrong. But I heard that, that was unbecoming because, when students are agitating, even we as teachers, if I may have as an association a different view, but right now, I'm not going to express my view because students are agitating. Ideally, I would have expected, we want support across party line, by the way. We want everyone, every Meghalayan, whether you are from this party, that party, you please come and support the student. Don't come and just burst into VC's office. That is not unnecessary. Because right now, it is a matter, because, they feel very, very offended yesterday, and I feel what they have felt. Because they are on hunger strike and somebody comes from nowhere to go and meet the VC and come out with solution. They may have submitted a list of solution, but the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which these students are talking. Now you should actually, I would have expected that whoever comes to NEHU now, whether they are from NGOs, whether they are from political parties, across party line, they should come and express their sympathy for the students. Talk to their leadership. What do they want? If they say we want this, then that's it. You cannot say no, you want this, but I want something else. I'll go and talk now, negotiate. No. If that be the case, NEHUTA would have negotiated with him long time ago because he has offered her all sorts of things. We don't want to. Because right now our concern is we must first please the students. They should be satisfied. I'm not on hunger strike. They are on hunger strike. Let's not forget that. And that's why I'm saying whoever comes to NEHU, please be mindful of that you come here to express your solidarity with the students first. You see their condition, I feel like crying whenever I saw them there lying, or they're young kids, boys and girls there. They have been fasting for the last 3-4 days. It's not a joke. Naturally, they got agitated when they saw somebody coming and going and talking to the VC when nobody is interested to listen to him right now. And he is a person who has created this problem. No point of negotiating on any. See, for us, these are flimsy issue now. Pro-VC, that is flimsy issue. Right now, issue is you have shown that you don't care about NEHU. You don't care about NEHU students. You don't care about Meghalaya. You don't care about any community that resides in Meghalaya. He can come to the press club and give 20-30 minutes of your press conference coming to press club. Just 2 steps outside his office, he never came to say to students, how are you doing? Can you tell me, have you heard about this? In any institute across the country, even go to an African country, he will not say this. That a VC looking at students outside his window from his office who are on hunger strike didn't even bother to say, how are you doing? That is the level of, and I feel so bad because we belong to a community where for us, human life matters more than anything else. Everything as a secondary. VCs will come and go, professors will come and retire, but these students will be there. Today they are the ones, tomorrow somebody else will come. University has to stay where it belongs, and for that matter, he is the one who has spoiled the whole atmosphere. And I'm sure he will never, I don't think he is such a thick skin that he will not relinquish his chair. What student will do, that is up to the students. But I feel very, very sad to see that a vice chancellor of this kind of attitude is here in NEHU. Had it been in any other place, believe me friends, if in any other state in the northeast, if he was doing the same thing, you know what would have been the outcome. Thankfully, he is on a peaceful state like Meghalaya. But don't test the patience of students, don't test the patience of Meghalayans. I mean, things can erupt, provided, if he doesn't really act fast, I foresee that things might erupt badly. Nobody else to be blamed except the Vice Chancellor. And he will be solely responsible for anything wrong that happens. And if by chance, God forbid, any of these guys loses their life because of hunger strike, I'm telling you, this is going to be I don't know what will happen. I can't even imagine. And hence, if he is listening to this, it's his duty to act. He cannot remain a silent spectator because now the ball is in his court.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya